Good afternoon. It's Lee Cassidy from Tactile Technology, and I'm kicking off with the opening statements for our event today. So give you an idea of what we're going to cover as we go through the event. So first of all, what I'd like to do is just give you a rundown of the event. So first of all, opening statements, which I've just started already. What we're going to do then is move on to I just need to reduce something. So we're going to then have a keynote from Eric Cook at 1:15 for 30 minutes, where he's going to cover cloud native observability and what comes next. And he's going to talk about the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning within that to be able to manage and remove deal with any issues that we get through those type of events that are identified through that system. Following on from that, what we're going to do is have Ross Cooper-Smith doing a session with myself talking about how you can actually run SQL Server in a container. Following at the same time, we've got Boris Kirchev going through a deployment of Kubernetes in 15 minutes. We've also got Nikki Villebrand, who's going to talk through the myths and magic of cloud native, all again at the same time, 1:45 to 2:15. So you can make a choice between the three different sessions that are available. Once we've completed the sessions, we're going to have a break for networking for 15 minutes. And the actual application set, you can actually go in and choose which of the networking piece on the right-hand side. So what I'm going to do is just quickly, before we carry on, show you what it actually looks like. So let me bring on the screen. That looks strange because I'm on the screen as well. But on the left-hand side, you can see you've got the reception, and I'm on the main stage at the moment. When the sessions are available, you'll see those sessions appear in this section under sessions on the left. And when we go to the networking, what we need to do is click on the networking section and click join. And you can actually then be paired up with someone for a quick introduction via video and a conversation. So you can have a chat with someone potentially about, what you do at the moment and network with some of your peers. All right, so remove that. So continuing on, after that, we've got Eric Ian Franson, who's going to do the power and the challenges of cloud native at 2:30 to 3 p.m. And then we've got another set of sessions. So we've got Ross Cooper-Smith, who's going through the creation of a private cloud environment at 3 to 3:30. At the same time, we've got Eric Cook going through observability and actually demonstrating what observability looks like across a cloud environment plus on-premise. And we've got Boris again now covering cloud native at scale across clouds, and also the delivery of stateful applications, because it can be a little bit of a challenge to do that stateful side. And Boris is going to go through that with you. Following on from that, we'll have another networking break for 3:30 to 3:45. And then we'll have Ross Cooper-Smith doing his keynote, where he talks about the value of private cloud. A lot of us seem to forget that this option to run your own cloud environment locally on your local infrastructure or within your data center. So we're going to talk about that and the value of it. Following on from that, we'll have our panel discussion where we've got all of our speakers looking at hybrid cloud, and we're going to go through whether it's fact or fiction and some of the key things that we think are important in that space where we might be using multiple public cloud providers, plus potentially some on-premise infrastructure as well. So hopefully that's covered everything that we're going to cover today. So if you haven't already registered for the event, you're just watching this through the live, you can go to Hopin and search for Cloud Native and you see the event, or you can actually go to hopin.com/events/tactile-technology-cloud-native applications, and you can then join us on Hopin and see all of the sessions. The only thing that's going out into LinkedIn today is the keynote sessions and the panel at the end. The sessions that are running parallel, we can't stream those into LinkedIn at the same time because we've got 3 of them running at the same time for the 2 different sessions that we've got running today. So you must actually join the Hopin event to be able to see those. Well, thank you very much for that. So be back to us in 10 minutes, and we've got our session with Eric Cook going through observability. Thank you.